Hello folks, I will create a new series of videos on this channel. This series of videos will be dedicated to the handheld gaming news, which includes some first-hand information about Windows Handheld Gaming PC. I will name this series of video Handheld Insight. Let's start with the Steam Deck. SteamOS 3.4 stable version was rolled out last week. This new update brings some really great features on the desktop mode. I was so excited when I saw Valve claim that they added touchscreen gestures to the desktop mode with this update. So I can't wait to test this out, but the result is really disappointing. The touchscreen gesture will only work with applications running in touchscreen mode. This gesture feature is not working at all in desktop mode right now. Let's hope Valve can make this feature work in the desktop mode in the future. Another main fix in the 3.4 update is the sleeping mode. I have previously made a video about the quick resume feature on the Steam Deck. We can just quickly put the device into the sleeping mode by pressing the power button, and then wake it up when we are back to gaming. But sometimes after waking up the Steam Deck, the game crashes or freezes. It seems that Valve have finally fixed this sleeping issue on this new update. Another big news for the Steam Deck this week is we can now see the inside of Steam Deck with this transparent backplate. It looks pretty cool. I believe the Steam Deck community will grow in the coming year, as we have already seen many third-party companies start offering great accessories and parts to improve gaming experience on the Steam Deck. All those are really good for the gamers. Now let's move into the Windows handheld news. The AyaNeo 2 is pretty hot on the IGG page right now. They already got over 2,000 backers. There was some good news and bad news for the backers last week. The first 50 AyaNeo 2 were shipped on December 26, 2022, so congratulations to those 50 lucky backers. The bad news is for the Crystal Purple AyaNeo Geek. Due to the high risk of cracking the transparent shell, the delivery date will be pushed to March 2023. Because of the delay, the AyaNeo is offering upgrade option for the Crystal Purple buyers to the AyaNeo 2 or the Black Geek version. So if you are one of the Crystal Purple backers, I encourage you to take the upgrade option instead of waiting until next March. Just remember, next March is still not the final date for delivery. I think at least the AyaNeo team is transparent to all the buyers, so we know what is going on with this delay, and they are offering a solution to fix this problem right now. Let's hope the AyaNeo 2 and Geek are shipped at the original delivery time. Now let's look at the GPD Win 4. I believe most of you have already heard about this PS Vita inspired Windows handheld PC. I love how it looks and the form factor. There are a lot of review videos out there on the YouTube. I will include some insights here that you cannot watch on the other YouTube channel about GPD Win 4. The first thing I want to talk about GPD Win 4 is the speaker. The EPA Prime mentioned in his review video that GPD Win 4 has a great speaker system. I totally agree with his opinion, but the GPD Win 4 speaker is still not as good as the one on the Steam Deck. It is loud enough, but the bass is weak. However, I do believe GPD Win 4 speaker is the best among all the Windows handheld PC. The second GPD Win 4 news is that Win 4 will have a new backplate design with an anti-slip strip. I think it looks awkward on the black device. The white backplate is acceptable. Both GPD Win 4 Indiegogo page and all the media review units do not have those anti-slip strip yet. But this has been confirmed by GPD. The final Win 4 will have those anti-slip strip on the backplate, but they do improve the gripping experience on the Win 4. I am not a big fan of a detachable controller design on the OneXplayer 2. I like the 6800U OneXplayer Mini Pro. That is a great product. There are two reasons why I do not like OneXplayer 2. First, the detachable controller is pointless on OneXplayer 2. The right hand and left hand controller cannot be used as individual controllers like the Nintendo Switch. Second, the controller holder is another pointless design on this device. The cross button and face buttons are in an angled position. I can't imagine how it works. I am not sure how they came up with this design. I just can carry a normal Windows handheld PC with a mini Bluetooth gamepad. This combination is better than OneXplayer can offer. But if you are looking for an 8.4-inch handheld, then OneXplayer 2 is the only option. Oh, sorry, it's the best option. I totally forgot Aoki Zoe A1. That's all for this Handheld Insight. If you are interested in handheld news and stuff, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. As always, thanks for watching.